Hello friends, welcome to Tamde's Farm Advice YouTube channel. Today's topic is coconut Eriophyte mites management. Welcome to all farmers outside of Maharashtra and farmers from abroad. Myself, Dr. Lala Sahib Tamde, head and senior scientist. I am specially preparing this video on demands of many farmers from outside of Maharashtra, and one of the biggest problems, one of the most important fruit crop, that is coconut, attack of Eriophytes mites. Due to the attack of Eriophytes mites, losses up to 40 to 70%, especially the tender nuts, has been observed. And because of that, farmers requested me to prepare the video on coconut Eriophytes mite attacks and its effective managements. First, we see the mites are usually found under the bracts of fertilized female flowers and do not infest the under-fertilized flowers. The mites are very minute in size, about 200 to 250 microns in length and 36 to 52 microns in width, with 2 pairs of legs. Life cycle of mites are completed within 7 to 10 days. We can see the symptoms, how it attacks and what is the symptoms. The earlier symptoms on 2 to 3 month older buttons is pale yellow triangular patches seen below the perianth. Severe affected buttons may false. As button grows, brown patches leads to black necrotic lesions with longitudinal fistulas on the hunk. Uneven growth resulted in distortion and stunting of nuts, leading to reduction of copra yields. In severe cases, the nuts are malformed with cracks and hardened hunks. We can give the most importance to the growth of natural enemies of mites. What is the natural enemies? The natural enemies can attack on Eriophyte mites and reduce its population. And these natural enemies are phytoceans mites, ladybugs beetles, Oligota species, lacewings. These are the natural enemies can controls the population of mites. Also, for control of mites, grow shelter belt with Casuarina all around the coconut gardens. Apply urea 1.3 kg, single superphosphate 2 kg and muriate of potash 3.5 kg per tree per year. Soil application of micronutrients, borax 15 grams, gypsum 1 kg and magnesium sulfate half kg per palm. Also, it was observed that use of azarenditane 10,000 ppm at the rate of 3 to 5 ml found beneficial for its control. Regarding the chemical controls, fenpyroximate 5% EC at the rate of 10 ml per liter plus 10 gram urea root feedings in 3 times found useful. The miticides available in the markets in the trade names are Neon, MIT++, Zolomites, Pyroximites. We can use this miticide for control of these mites on coconuts. Spot application of Trizophos 5 ml per liter, Dicofol 6 ml per liter, Ethion 4 ml per liter, and root feeding per stem injection of carbosulfone 15 ml per liter, trizophos 15 ml with equal quantity of water. And most important thing is, when we spot application of these chemicals, avoids the use of these nuts up to 1.5 months, because it is a systemic types. So for doing these practices, technical practices, we can controls the incidence of mites, and we can get the good yield from coconuts. Otherwise there is a very bigger possibility of losses of tender fruits on coconuts. So by applying this technology, what I said, that we can controls the coconut eriophytes mite and get good yields. I think this video will be useful to the farmers in for getting the better yield. Thank you very much.
व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक, शेअर, सबस्क्राईब करा आणि कमेंट करून सांगा तुम्हाला हा व्हिडिओ कसा वाटला.